Can AI become apocalypse for the world? Let's check it out. Artificial intelligence uses machine learning to mimic human intelligence. The computer has to learn how to respond to certain actions, so it uses algorithms and historical data to create something called a propensity model. Propensity models will then start making predictions like scoring leads or something. AI is the branch of computer sciences that emphasizes the development of intelligent machines, thinking and working like humans. For example, speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning. History of AI. In the year 1955, Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. This program had proved 38 of 52 mathematics theorems, and find new and more elegant proofs for some theorems. The year 1956, the word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy at the Dartmouth Conference. For the first time, AI coined as an academic field. Impact of AI. Artificial intelligence can dramatically improve the efficiencies of our workplaces and can augment the work humans can do. When AI takes over repetitive or dangerous tasks, it frees up the human workforce to do work they are better equipped for, tasks that involve creativity and empathy among others. If people are doing work that is more engaging for them, it could increase happiness and job satisfaction. With better monitoring and diagnostic capabilities, artificial intelligence can dramatically influence healthcare. By improving the operations of healthcare facilities and medical organizations, AI can reduce operating costs and save money. One estimate from McKinsey predicts big data could save medicine and pharma up to $100 billion annually. The true impact will be in the care of patients. Potential for personalized treatment plans and drug protocols, as well as giving providers better access to information across medical facilities to help inform patient care, will be life-changing. If AI improves our lifestyle, then why is it dangerous for the world? Most researchers agree that a superintelligent AI is unlikely to exhibit human emotions like love or hate, and that there is no reason to expect AI to become intentionally benevolent or malevolent. Can AI really become apocalypse for the world? Physicist Stephen Hawking, Microsoft founder Bill Gates and SpaceX founder Elon Musk have expressed concerns about the possibility that AI could develop to the point that humans could not control it, with Hawking theorizing that this could spell the end of the human race. Stephen Hawking said in 2014 that success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks. Hawking believed that in the coming decades, AI could offer incalculable benefits and risks, such as technology outsmarting financial markets, out-inventing human researchers, out-manipulating human leaders, and developing weapons we cannot even understand. In January 2015, Nick Bostrom joined Stephen Hawking, Max Tegmark, Elon Musk, Lord Martin Rees, Jaan Tallinn, and numerous AI researchers, in signing the Future of Life Institute's open letter speaking to the potential risks and benefits associated with artificial intelligence. An AI become apocalypse, it's not just a theory, it's a warning. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, Moai of today is the future of tomorrow.